What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another banger. Today we took 3 trades, 3 wins, so it's a good day. It's klein Vrijdag, so we can celebrate. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the week so far. It's almost the weekend, so I think we get straight into this. Okay, so the first trade, I'm gonna go over it with you guys. I'll give you guys the descriptions, and then I'll show you. So it was this one. It was a long. We made 1.1%. 4 hours bullish. 30-minute was actually bearish, but the order flow. So when I mean the 30-minute was bearish, I mean that the 30-minute structure, the short-term 30-minute structure, which I'll go over with you guys on the chart as well, but the order flow, the long-term structure, it's a little bit higher time frame, but you look at it a bit more zoomed out. It was high, bullish order flow. We entered based off of a 5-minute fair value gap and an inverse fair value gap. Followed the plan. I missed one fair value gap for a slightly better entry. We would have made a little bit more profit, but not much. The 30-minute was against our bias, but on a bigger scale, it was bullish. So that's what I mean when I said the order flow was bullish. I was going to take this, but we didn't take it. It wasn't a good setup. I'll go over that with you guys at the end, okay? Because I just read the first one. So first dub, as you can see, 4-hour order flow, bullish. Even the structure right before this trade. Also, there was just this little bit of retracement, which is always nice to trade after a bit of retracement. It gives you a bit of a better opportunity. The 30-minute, as I said, if you look here, it was bearish. Ooh, but look here. There's a fair value gap, which we could use as bullish confluence. So there was a nice fair value gap to target if you were bullish, which I was. So the 30-minute was bearish, but that was not a big problem for me. If we go into the 5 minutes, it hit our lows and then it broke structure on this candle. Okay, so if you can see, there's a fair value gap here, which got filled like 2 candles later, but I missed that. So I could have entered right here, but I missed that and I entered right here based off of the green candle closing above this bullish fair value gap. So that's what I mean when I say inverse fair value gap. I entered on this candle and then we took a dub. Let's go to the next trade. The next trade we earned 1.2%. The 4 hour was bullish, the 30-minute was bullish, and we entered based off of a 5-minute fair value gap as well as base break of structure. Followed plan. The stop loss even took some extra profit. So let's have a look at that. On the 4 hour, 4 hour was bullish, structure bullish, order flow bullish. 30 minutes. Guys, the 30-minute was actually bearish. I didn't notice this candle. And to be honest, it's actually barely a candle. I don't count it as a candle. I'm still saying this 30 minutes bullish, regardless of the structure being broken to the downside on this candle. You can see this is not a lot of bullish power except for this candle. Plus, yeah, 30 minutes still bullish in my opinion, even though you guys see this red candle, right? Because I didn't. That's how small it is. It's honestly negligible. I forgot the name of those candles. 5 minutes.
You can see right here.
We tapped into this little zone right here. Break of structure to the upside on this candle. Plus a fair value gap here getting filled. I think that's what I ended off of. And break of structure, yep. And then easy peasy from there. Super nice trade. Honestly, I think we should have made a lot more profit. But with that trailing stop loss, I think it got swept by raising it up. So I'm very new to moving stop loss into profits, but I'll get better at it. The next one, we only made 500, less than 0.5%. The bullish was fair 4 hour. the 4 hour was bullish, and there was also a 4 hour fair value gap which got hit. The 30-minute structure was bearish. However, the order flow once again was 5 minutes.
Huh?
And no, the order flow was bullish. And then we based off of a 5-minute break of structure plus a fair value gap. We followed the plan, entered a little bit late, and it would have hit take profit too if entered after seeing the next bullish candle after the fair value gap got hit. 4 hour clearly bullish. 30-minute I think I said was bearish. Yeah, the 30-minute here was bearish. And it's quite funny because I didn't have a box to draw. I would have had to draw in this for my low if I did it how the trading plan suggests. So I just dragged the high of this Asia session and I used it for the low of this session. It's fine, it's not that big of a deal, and we made money regardless. So the 5-minute, as you can see, it already started in our lows, so I could have entered on this candle, inverse fair value gap plus break of structure to the upside. I really could have. That's why I said entered a little late. I entered right on this blue thing you see, because I waited for this fair value gap to get filled plus these inverse fair value gaps. And yeah, look how close it was to hitting take profit too. If we entered a can like earlier, we could have on this candle, I think we could have hit, because I was going for a 1 to 2 take profit for take profit 2, but luckily we were stopped out at break even. And those are the 3 trades of the day. I have nothing more to say. Everybody, I hope you go your own way and enjoy your day. And this trading thing, it ain't a game. No time to play. Everybody, clap your hands. We took 3 dubs today. Hip hip hooray. I'll see you, and with that, I'm on my way.
And this? This is just fashion. It's a fashion thing. You guys wouldn't get it.